Your elbow has bent over 1,000,000 times. No oil, no repairs. So why doesn't it grind to a halt? The answer hides inside a joint you never think about until the day it starts to hurt. Welcome to Anatomy and Physiology video. Today, we open up the hinge joint. By the end, you'll understand your own body better than most people ever will. Look at a door for a second. It swings open, swings shut, one direction, back and forth. Your body has hinges that work the exact same way. We call them hinge joints. Scientists have a fancier name for them too, ginglymus. Try saying that 5 times fast. But first, what even is a joint? Simple. It's where two bones meet and connect. Most joints exist for one reason, movement. Without them, you'd be stiff as a statue. Your body has many joint types. Some swivel, some glide, some only swing one way. Hinge joints are the one-way swingers, backward and forward. That's it. 2 famous examples live in your body right now. Bet you're using one to scroll. First, the elbow. It connects your upper arm bone to your forearm bone. The upper bone is the humerus. The forearm bone is the ulna. Easy. Second, the knee, the biggest hinge joint you own, holding up your whole body. The knee links your thigh bone, the femur, to your shin bone, the tibia. Just like a door, these joints swing back and forth. But they can't swivel. Try it. Twist your elbow side to side like a doorknob. It won't budge. Here's the trade-off. One direction only, but a huge range on that path. That's exactly why hinge joints live in your arms and legs. Big reach, big power. Now back to our mystery. A hinge with no oil should squeak and seize, right? A door hinge needs oil to glide. Skip it and you get that awful screech. Your joints need lubrication too, but your body doesn't use oil from a can. It uses something better, a natural fluid called synovial fluid. Want to know what it looks like? It's a lot like raw egg white. Thick, slippery, and clear. Just a tiny drop coats the entire joint. So where does it come from? A thin lining called the synovial membrane. This membrane wraps the joint and slowly releases fluid where it's needed. It's a built-in oiling system that refills itself. No maintenance required. And that's the answer to our mystery. Your joints oil themselves every single day. Quick pause. If this is clicking for you, drop a comment with the word hinge. Now, the hinge joint isn't alone. It belongs to a bigger family. They're all called synovial joints, named after that egg white fluid we just met. Every joint in this family shares one thing, synovial fluid inside. So how many cousins does the hinge joint have? Let's meet all 6 types. 1. The ball and socket. Think shoulder and hip. It swivels in every direction. 2. The gliding joint. Flat bones sliding past each other, like in your wrist. 3. The condyloid joint. It lets you move side to side and up and down. 4. The pivot joint. It's what lets you shake your head to say no. 5. The saddle joint. Your thumb has one, and it's surprisingly flexible. And 6. The star of our show, the hinge joint. Now you know the whole family. Quick challenge. Which joint are you using to nod yes right now? It's the pivot. Here's a question every synovial joint has to solve. Bones rubbing on bones hurts. Fluid helps, sure, but there's a second layer of protection you can't see. Every bone end is capped with a smooth covering called articular cartilage. Think of it as a slippery helmet for the tip of each bone. This cartilage is a special type called hyaline cartilage, smooth and glassy. It's built from 2 materials, type 2 collagen and something called proteoglycan. Together, they create a surface so smooth, your bones barely feel each other. This is why healthy joints move without pain. Fluid plus cartilage equals smooth. So how does the elbow actually pull off this smooth swinging motion? Let's zoom in. The whole joint is sealed inside that synovial membrane we talked about. Sitting nearby is a little cushion called the bursa. It releases fluid too. Here's the clever part. One bone end is rounded. The other has a matching socket. The rounded head of the ulna drops into the socket of the humerus. That snug fit forces the forearm to move in just one clean direction. But bones can't move themselves, so what's actually doing the pulling? Muscles. And they work in pairs that fight against each other on purpose. Meet the team. The biceps in front, the triceps in back of your arm. When the biceps tightens, your arm bends. The forearm pulls up toward you. When the triceps tightens, your arm straightens back out again. One pulls, the other relaxes. We call them antagonistic pairs. Bend your arm slowly right now and feel both muscles take turns. Pretty cool, right? Every lift, every wave, every hug runs on this simple push and pull system. So far, everything works perfectly. But what happens when it doesn't? Movement should never hurt. When it does, something has gone wrong inside. First problem, trauma. A hard fall can fracture or dislocate the joint. That damage can press on nerves, sending sharp pain signals everywhere. Second problem, bursitis. Remember that little bursa cushion? It can swell up. Overusing a joint or injuring it can inflame the bursa and cause tenderness. Third, and the big one, arthritis. It inflames joints and brings real pain. There are two main types you should know. They're not the same thing. First, osteoarthritis. It comes from years of strain wearing the joint down. Here's the hard truth. Osteoarthritis can't be reversed. The damage stays. Second, rheumatoid arthritis. This one is an autoimmune disorder. That means the body's own defense system attacks its own joints by mistake. It gets worse over time, and so far, there's no known cure. But there's hope. Treatments do exist to slow it down and ease the pain. And this is the real value here. Knowing the warning signs early matters. Stiffness, swelling, or pain that won't quit, that's your cue to see a doctor. Take care of your joints now, and they'll carry you for decades. Let's quickly lock in everything you just learned. Ready? Hinge joints swing one way. They're oiled by synovial fluid that refills itself. Smooth cartilage protects the bones, and muscle pairs power the motion. And when pain shows up, you now know exactly what might be happening. You understand your own body a little better now. That's a real win. If this helped, smash that like, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend. Comment which joint surprised you most. We'll see you in the next one.